हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे 3 जून के इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स। तो आज का पहला क्वेश्चन, व्हेन इज वर्ल्ड मिल्क डे 2025 सेलिब्रेटेड? एंड इसका आंसर है 1 जून। Second question, which young Grandmaster of India has defeated Magnus Carlsen in the Norway Chess Tournament 2025? And the answer is D. Kukesh. Third question, who has been appointed as the new chairman of Tata Chemicals in May 2025? And the answer is S. Padman Avan. Fourth question, who has been reappointed as the president of the World Anti-Doping Agency in May 2025? And the answer is Witold Baka. Fifth question, where has the Union government launched the Battery Aadhaar project at the Battery Summit 2025? And the answer is New Delhi. Sixth question, what position has India achieved in the medal tally in the Gumi Asian Athletics Championship 2025? And the answer is second. Seventh question, where has South Asia's largest 20 MW battery business energy storage system been inaugurated? And the answer is New Delhi. Eighth question, when is Global Day of Parents 2025 celebrated? And the answer is 1 June. Ninth question, when is the 11th Telangana State Formation Day 2025 celebrated? And the answer is 2 June. 10th question, who has been appointed as the new president of the Confederation of Indian Industries for 2025-26, succeeding Sanjeev Puri? And the answer is Rajiv Memani. 11th question, who has been recommended by FSIB as the managing director and CEO of Union Bank of India? And the answer is Ashish Pandey. 12th question, which Indian state is planning to set up the country's first AI-based special economic zone in its capital city? And the answer is Chhattisgarh. 13th question, which Indian state has raised the legal age for purchasing tobacco products to 21 and banned hookah bars and public smoking? And the answer is Karnataka. 14th question, what is the last date for central government NPS subscribers who retired on or before March 31st, 2025 to claim additional benefits under the Unified Pension Scheme? And the answer is June 30th, 2025. 15th question, which bank has announced the complete waiver of the average monthly balance requirement across all savings bank account types? And the answer is Canara Bank. 16th question, India's goods and services tax collection crossed the rupees 2 lakh crore mark for the second consecutive month in May 2025. What was the exact amount collected? And the answer is rupees 2.01 lakh crore. 17th question, what was the total value of UPI transaction in India in May 2025? And the answer is rupees 25.14 lakh crore. 18th question. How many total medals did India win at the recently concluded 26th Asian Athletics Championship 2025 and what was its position in the medal tally? And the answer is 24 medals, second place. 19th question. Who has recently been elected as the first women Secretary General of the United Nations World Tourism Organization? And the answer is Sheikha Nasir Al Novis. 20th question. In which country is the Bridge Glacier recently in the news located? And the answer is Switzerland. And the last 21st question. In which state is the Ghatampur Thermal Power Project recently inaugurated by PM Modi located? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh.